Welcome to Zebo Academy, a place where math meets data science. Unlock the power of numbers, logic, data, and code all in one place.
Hello lovely viewers, welcome again. In this video we are going to find the roots of a function. So the roots of a function basically are the values where the function is equal to 0, or graphically where the function touches any of the axes, either y or x axis. So in this video we are going to find the values of y given that function. So solution, first of all, to get the functional values, that function must be equal to 0. So r of y is equal to 0. Therefore 12y squared plus 11y minus 5 is equal to 0. So you realize this function cannot be factorized further. So what we do, we are going to use a quadratic formula, or popularly known as bulldozer method, to find the values of y. So bulldozer method states that y is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. From our equation, a is equal to 12, b is equal to 11, and c is equal to negative 5. So in that case, we are going to substitute ABC into our quadratic formula. So y is going to be equal to negative 11 plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 11 squared minus 4 times 12 times negative 5 over 2 times 12. So y is going to be equal to negative 11 plus or minus square root of 11 squared is 121 minus 4 times 12 times negative 5 is 361 over 24. So either y is equal to negative 11 plus square root of 361 over 24, or y is equal to negative 11 minus square root of 361 over 24. So here we can use a calc to simplify. So when you use a calc, y is going to be equal to a third, or y is going to be equal to negative 5 over 4. So you can verify these answers by getting r of y for 1 over 3 and negative 5 over 4, and it should be equal to to 0, i.e. when you take a third into r of y, it should be able to give you 0, and also negative 5 over 4 should also be able to give you 0. So dear fans and viewers, can try out g of x is equal to x cubed plus 17x squared minus x, and drop your answers in the comment section. So if you found this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you in my next video.